My name is Brad Kronk, and I'm the president of Alamon.
My name is Scott Lawrence, and I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Alamon Incorporated.
I'm Dan Dennison. I'm the outside plant manager here at Alamon.
Well, one of the benefits of Alamon is we've been in business for 45 years. The RDOF funding is a perfect example. There are some fairly major players out there, including satellite companies and such. The top 6 players that received that funding, Alamon is presently working for or is an approved vendor for 4 out of those top 6 companies.
We're going into 60 to 80 homes in a given week, and when we walk out of there at the end of the week, the subscribers are happy, our clients are happy. That's a talent.
My technicians, they understand how important that is. They buy into what we're selling, which is customer service.
Most of our business is gathered from referrals. Our marketing department is brand new. This company has been built upon and developed over 45 years of performance.